I'm Dr. Sharmeen. So it was a very comprehensive course. Dr. Priya has gone into the depths of the science of colposcopy. We got good hands-on and yeah, lots to learn. And it was well distributed to not make it very heavy on, to a few days. It was distributed nicely over 5 days. And they made sure to take care of us properly in even in other ways, like food was taken care of and even the place is very well equipped with everything. So I thank Dr. Priya for the course.
Krishna Goyal from Faridabad, consulting gynecologist, and I attended the 2-day course also, and now I came here to Mumbai to attend the 15 days hybrid course. 5 days that was hands-on, and I have no words to explain how, with dedication and with passion, Dr. Priya taught us. Like hands-on was so wonderful. No one else gives us hands-on training, but here we got to see on patients. At least we did colposcopy on 12 to 15 patients in these 5 days, and each and every candidate had got opportunity to see all the patients, and the whole staff is so cooperative, and they were taking so much care of us that I have no words to explain. Everything went so wonderful, and we were shown all the instruments Dr. Priya is using here, and mainly the colposcope, the thermoglide, and the basic instruments, and we have even ordered for all those, and it was worth attending. It was worth attending. Even I opted for mentorship also. For the next 1 year, I will be under guidance of Priya ma'am, so that in case I have any problem, I will be under her continuous guidance. That's the best part. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Mrinal Chatterjee. I'm a postgraduate from Sion Medical College, Mumbai, and at present I'm working in Cloud9 Hospital, Tinkle Saudagar Unit, Pune, as a clinical associate. I got to know about ma'am's course during my PG itself because my head of the unit had done it. So she had already recommended it. So I was thinking about doing it from a long time to increase my knowledge about colposcopy. So just that I got this time an opportunity to do this. So it was a well organized course, and other than that, the dry lab was very good, and we had quite a number of patients to work on and see also how the things are practically done, and that's all I think. It is a good thing that you can do immediately even after your post graduation, and to increase in your knowledge. It is not like you only have to practice it immediately, but yes, you can inculcate it in your practice. It is a very simple procedure. Simple things can be done, and later on you can always increase your knowledge. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Malti from Tirupati. I've come for the 2 days course workshop and now hybrid course. I found this course very wonderful. We had hands-on training on patients and dry lab training too. We could learn a lot, and it's a very good experience and teaching experience for someone who wants to do colposcopy and preventive oncology and gynecology. Thank you so much.